I've seen the past, what I've seen in the past would give you whiplash with the amount of money spent to turn a data network into a voice network, and we see this a lot, where it starts off as a data network where people log in and it's got file sharing and whatnot, and then through QoS, through VLANs, through all this other stuff, they've gotten it to a point now where we have two VLANs, one for the voice, one for the LAN, we've got different QoS parameters, different priority parameters, blah, 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 and now everything's fine. Well, before you used to have a separate PBX with separate physical wiring to a separate physical set, and now today you have a virtual different LAN with a virtual different card with a virtual different settings to get to a virtual different phone. Remember at the beginning I showed you the switches and how everything over the years kind of make it look like the way it was at the beginning? Remember that? Does that sound familiar? And the point of all of this exercise is when you get to voice over IP, it's not what you're used to. It's UDP based, it's very latent sensitive, and you have to make sure you have the right environment for it. Okay? The nice thing too is if you did have a protocol traffic generator and you can generate some UDP packets, you could say with the traffic analyzer, I want to send 1,000 packets that are 500 bytes big to this destination IP address. So you're going to send 1,000, and now you go to the other end with any tool and see if you got 1,000. And if you got 920, you drop some. Okay? Any questions? All right, cool.